an elderly.
Nakapokus sa mo ka, sir.
So now, done the full sequence. I'm going to proceed to changing the diaper. Now, going to pull down again the top sheet.
Baby.
And now we're going to open, abduct the legs, and now we will to unfasten the plaster. Now using the clean part, we can use to clean some of the dirty on the penis area. So from the penis to the groins, the sides, now we're going to fold. Now put it under the Now get the washcloth. So let's start. So from the penis, fold under the shaft, under the scrotum, fold groins, farthest groins, nearest groins, fold, and the anus, and we start. So washcloth with soap. Okay, pwede natin sa sound. From the urethra, fold. Shaft, glass of the penis, glans penis, fold. Corona, fold. The shaft, fold under the scrotum, and under the scrotum, fold. The groins, fold. The nearest groins, fold. And the anus. Start. We're going to rinse. So from the penis, fold, urethra, glans of the penis, fold, corona, fold, the shaft, fold, then the scrotum, fold, under the scrotum, fold, farthest groins, nearest groins, fold, and the anus. Now done, I'm going to put the patient to lateral position. So now put the arms to the abdomen. Now we insert the incontinent pad together with the diaper, the sides of the patient. Now raise the sides and neck. I'm going to put the patient to lateral position. Raise the farthest arm to the abdomen and bend the knee and move to lateral position. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to clean the buttocks. So this is a new washcloth with water. So take your stroke. Pay attention to the iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, the glossal folds. Start. Add soap. Washcloth with soap. Circular strokes. Guidance to iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, and the glossal folds. And we're going to rinse. Circular strokes. Pay attention to iliac crease, sacrum, coccyx, ischium, other ischium, and the glossal folds. Cover. Discard. Now we're going to butler. Now we're going to remove the soiled diaper together with the incontinent pad and put it to waste receptacle. Now since I have a soiled gloves, I'm going to change this to a new one. So this is a new clean set of gloves. Now prepare the new sets of diaper and incontinent pad. So open. Okay. And we're going to roll in towards the center and insert it to the sides of the patient. And now during this time, we can check the patient skin condition on the buttocks if there's any traces of rashes or sores. Now we add moisturizer or the lotions to the sides and including the buttocks. Okay, still clean gloves. So now we're going to put the patient into supine position. In supine position, now pull out the clean and the diaper rather. In the abducted position, we apply again the moisturizer to the sides, to the groins, and the upper part. Now, we put the patient into dorsal recumbent position. Bend the farthest knee and bend the nearest knee, and we're going to insert or wear the diaper. So now pull from the farthest. Fasten the plaster. Okay, ikaw na. Okay, ikaw. Okay. So if the patient is male, we can the front side of the diaper should be higher than the back of the diaper, and when the patient is female, the back of the diaper is higher than the front of the diaper. Okay, and now back to supine position. Dorsal position. Yeah, okay. And that's it. This is the in bed changing the diaper. Next is the